Hello students, I hope you have read and revised the topics fats, vitamins and minerals. In today's class, I will teach you roughage, water and balanced diet. Students, open your book at page number 12 and let's start our reading from the topic roughage. Roughage is the fiber present in the food. Roughage is not digested by our body, but it helps in the digestion of the food and it also removes waste from our body. Roughage keeps our digestive tract clean. Underline the word digestive tract and write down its meaning, the series of organs in the digestive system through which food passes. As roughage help in the removal of waste which is produced after digesting the food. In this way, roughage keeps our digestive tract clean. Raw vegetables and fruits like carrot, radish, turnip, mango, orange, apple are the good source of roughage. Come to the next topic, water. Water is the most important component of our diet as it helps in digestion of food. So students, water is the most important component in our diet because it helps in the easy digestion of the food. We lose water when we sweat, pass urine and even when we breathe out. So students, there are different ways by which we lose water from our body. Like we lose water in the form of sweat, in the form of urine and also when we breathe out the oxygen. Water helps to maintain our body temperature and is a part of digestive juices. So students, another functions of water are it helps in maintaining our body temperature. Moreover, it is a part of digestive juices. As digestive juices help in the easy digestion of the food, in the similar way, water also help in the easy digestion of the food. We must drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. So students, we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day because if we will drink maximum amount of water, it helps in easy digestion of the food. Come to the next topic, balanced diet. A diet that contains all the nutrients, that is protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals in right proportion is called balanced diet. Underline the word balanced diet and write down its definition. Balanced diet is a diet containing each food nutrient in the right proportion. A balanced diet is very much important for our body as it keeps us healthy. So students, a balanced diet is very much important for our body because it keeps us healthy and moreover it protects us from the various kinds of diseases. Let us read Do You Know? In today's world, healthy nutritious food has been replaced by the new food, the junk or fast food. So students, in present era, the junk food is replacing the nutritious food. Underline the word nutritious food and write down its meaning. Nutritious food is a food that contains substances which help our body to be healthy. It comprises anything that is quick, convenient and fashionable. So junk food is cooked quickly. Moreover, it is a convenient method and today's generation prefer to eat junk food. That is why it is in fashion today. Underline the word convenient and write down its meaning suitable. Food like wafers, colas, pizzas and burgers are the examples of junk food. Taking too much of junk or fast food can make us put on extra weight. So, if we take excess of junk food, it can make us fat and when we will get fat, it can further lead to the different kinds of diseases. Junk food provides us essential nutrients in very minor amount. Underline the word essential nutrients and write down its meaning, the nutrients required for normal body functioning. They contain high amount of added salts and sugar which have bad effect on our health. That's why these are not healthy. So junk food contain high amount of salt and sugar, which cause bad effect on our body by causing different types of diseases such as hypertension and diabetes. So that is why the junk food is not healthy for our body. So students, in today's class, I have discussed with you roughage, water and balanced diet. So read and revise the topic thoroughly and also revise the cross questions. Thank you and have a nice day.